Hi, I'm Julia from Fora Soft, and we developed ALDA. ALDA is AI-powered virtual assistant for faculties at US colleges and universities. We developed a platform that helps educators create syllabi and courses tailored to their institution's need, while keeping all the materials up to date. Teachers simply enter a subject and desired depth, and ALDA generates all the material courses with tests and all the descriptions. Materials can be easily edited and customized to meet the specific requirements. We also enable personalized syllabi templates for different universities and colleges, making it easy for institutors to adapt content. Our team trained a fine-tuned OpenAI GPT-4 specifically for ALDA, ensuring high quality and structured learning materials. And that's it for ALDA. If you need a custom platform to level up your business, reach out. We will help.